Hello everybody. Now, who's heard of the Sidemen? The Sidemen are one of the most popular YouTubers in the UK. Now, they've just released their own brand in Iceland called Sides. They have got a takeaway thing. I think it's only in London. But now they've done a collab with Iceland and have released their own brand. So I've been and got, because our lad likes the Sidemen. If you don't know who they are, if you've got kids, I don't know, secondary school age, I suppose, they'll know who the Sidemen are and they'll all be pestering you for them. I've got a mega box. So we're going to have a look. We're going to try it. Now apparently, according to everybody, I suppose, over on the internet, their takeaway shops are delicious. So I've never tried one. You might have if you live in London way, I suppose, or I don't know if they've got them anywhere else. But we'll try this and we'll have a look. Right, so we've got Sides crispy coated mega feast box. Southern fried chicken wings, strips and bites with fries, classic barbecue sauce and sticky garlic sauce. Sidemen approved. There it is, air fryer in 26 minutes. Now I had a look at the instructions on the back. That's just the same, isn't it? Yeah, that's just exactly the same. And there's quite a lot of stuff, look. So what I've done, I've took some screenshots of all the ingredients and everything. So just pause it as you go, because there's quite a lot of there, look. You know what I mean? I could do it like that, I suppose, and you could have a little look if you want to. There's quite a lot of stuff, look, for each one. Yeah, there's the nutrition information, if you can see it properly. It's quite a lot of stuff, as I say. An air fryer, you do it based on a whole pack: chicken wings, chicken strips, chicken bites and fries on a 4 litre air fryer. Set temperature to 180, remove all the packaging, place the sauce sachets to one side. Retain the sides logo grease-proof paper for serving. Place chicken wings in the air fryer basket for 7 minutes. Add the chicken strips. After a further 7 of cooking, add the chicken bites and fries. Cook for a further 12 minutes. 5 minutes before the end of cooking time, place unopened sauce sachets in a bowl of hot water. There we go. So let's have a good look at them then. I did see some somewhere. Oh, these were, by the way, a £10 these was. So we'll see, tenner. But I do loads of different ones. Some are only a £5 and that, and £4. That's the grease-proof paper. We've got the fries. We've got your 2 sauces. What was it? Hot chili and what was it? Hot garlic sauce and barbecue. You've got your chicken strips. And there's quite a lot here. I don't suppose this is for one person. It can't be for one person, this, can it? It's got to be for 2, ain't it? A bit of each. There's your wings. And there's your little bites, popper things. Nice and simple then. Right, so we've got to do it in order. First things first, I'll get the air fryer warmed up. Okay, air fryer's warmed up. We'll start off with the chicken wings then. Let's get them out so we can have a look. There they are. Looks a quite nice coating actually, doesn't it? I'm doing my air fryer oven, by the way, because it's bigger. Oh yeah. So we're going to do them for 7 minutes. Obviously always make sure your food's cooked, you know what I mean? Because everyone's air fryer is different. I might have to use 2 air fryers actually, because I don't think I'll get all this in one. Okay guys, they've been in 7 minutes. And I'm going to tell you, they smell really, really nice. Really nice. Now I'm going to get the chicken strips in. And I've decided I'm going to put my other ones in my other air fryer, because Otherwise I'll end up overpacking the basket. There's the chicken strips. It smells nice, honestly. I'm not just saying that. Oh. Right, they're going to go in for 7 minutes. So in about 5 minutes time, I'm going to get my other air fryer warmed up. Now for the chips and the bites. Let's get them in there. Oh, so easy. There's the good old fries. Get them opened up. Add some guys up. And the good old poppers or the bites, whatever you want to call them. It's like having your own takeaway, innit? A tenner for 2 of you, so like a £5 a pop, innit? Right, we'll get them in. 12 more minutes and we'll be done. And there we go, guys, all done. And I'm telling you now, it smells absolutely delicious. The only thing I've done, I put a bit of salt on my chips, on the old fries, because I always do when they're in the air fryer. But it looks nice, doesn't it? I've done 2, and I've done myself. I'm having the sauce, I've just been them to test. Obviously, because the lads don't like the sauce. I don't like any sort of sauces and all that stuff, so don't even like red sauce. Don't know what's the matter with them. So I've just got them just to test myself. So I'm going to give them to the lads, and I'm going to try them. That's it, I've just got a couple of little bits. Because I've got to try it anyway, you know what I mean? Because you know I don't put the lads on the camera. So, let's start off with a chip. I'll put salt on them. Yeah, chip's a chip, innit? Really. Let's try a pop. They call them bites, don't they? Chicken bites. Oh, that's a nice little coating on there. A bit of dip. Bit of barbecue dip. Oh, that's a nice coating. Oh, and that barbecue's got a nice, proper barbecue flavour in there as well. Let's try chicken strip. Very nice, you know. Nice and juicy as well then. Let's try the old garlic flavour. Oh, that's very garlicky, that. That is delicious. Oh, if you like garlic, you're going to absolutely love that dip, honestly. Wow, and we've got a chicken wing, which is the coat on there. This smelled absolutely delicious when it was cooking. And it tastes delicious as well. That coating's amazing. Oh, wow. That. Now, you know some of these frozen ones you get, are supposed to taste really nice and sometimes are really bland. This isn't. This is delicious. I do I don't know, loads of different sorts up there, in there, what I seen, 4 or 5 quid. Now for 2 here, a £5 a pop. Had it over a weekend, all full of footy. You know what I mean? With your kids. That'd be worth it, because that is delicious, honestly, for a tenner. Yeah, got a couple of bits left, which I'm going to eat. Yummy. Well done, Sidemen. Right, there you go, guys. Sidemen's, that was a mega box. Crispy coated mega feast box, that was. Tenner, does 2. Or 3, depends, I suppose. I suppose you could put some of that chicken in a bun, couldn't you? Have a little cob. Yeah, so let me know whether you've had it, or whether you're going to get it, or whether your kids are going to pester you, or your grandkids are going to pester you. They probably will. It's worth having once in a blue moon. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.